Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Negestyle. Today's video is a simple way to mount your sleeve, to mount your t-shirt sleeve, your dress shirt sleeve, or regular jacket sleeve. There's two methods, but the method I'm showing you is for basically t-shirt and shirt, dress shirt or jacket. So the first thing, you mark in the center of your sleeve and the center of your shoulder. That is where the front and the back meet for the shoulder line. You pin it there to just hold it together and try to measure it. Measure and make sure your sleeve is not too long or your shirt is not too long, to have an idea on how you could go. So the allowance you are allowed to leave maybe 1/4 of an inch. That's what you really should let to leave as allowance. And while you're stitching, this 1/4 of an inch is what you create light gathers as you go. Light gathers, not deep pleats. The pleats should not be visible. It should be light gathers. And one of the reasons why the shirt itself is down and the sleeve is on the top is because when the shirt is down, it's easy to avoid creating unnecessary gathers while sewing. And when the sleeve is on top, is on the sleeve, you could easily create the gathers to make it fit and avoid the folding on top. The folding on top, when you try to adjust the sleeve to meet up with the shirt, are the gathers you're creating to twist it around to follow the shape of the shirt armhole. I hope this is helpful. That's how it came out. Some people create gathers before. They take the sleeve and have one loose stitch or two loose stitch, depending on how you want it to come out, before they stitch it. But for t-shirt and shirt, for me, you don't need to do that, because you're not creating a lot of gathers at the center of the shoulder. So I'll go straight to just stitching the stitch to the clothes, paying attention to how I create my gathers, not pleats. I hope this video was helpful. And to finish it up, I'm gonna stitch the sides and join the armhole. So I'm opening up the seam, the sewing allowance. I always like to open my sewing allowance. It gives a perfect finish when you iron, when you open up your sewing allowance. Pushing it on one side is perfect when the sewing allowance is really, really small. Like when you're sewing something, you don't have to adjust it, then you could push it on the side. But if you have a lot of sewing allowance, it's preferable to open it up so you can have this perfect finish. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope it helped you, and I catch you on the next one.